Today I would like to present 1.0 introduction. Nawal is a new student of Universiti Teknologi Mara UiTM and under Faculty of Information Management, and she wants to buy a new computer for her study. She will use the computer for assignment using utility software such as Microsoft Word, Office, Excel. Besides that, she also needs to use programming software such as VB.NET and C++. Other software such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. And the computer should also be able to support large graphics, programming, and has a good sound system for watching a movie in CD or DVDs. And then she also required a large storage capacity to store her file. However, the price of computer nowadays and become rising every year based on demand market. As the information technology student or IT and learn about electronic publishing and multimedia. Okay guys, let's go to 2.0 computer specification. 2.1 motherboard. A motherboard can be classified as the main printed circuit board or PCB found in general purpose microcomputer and other expandable system. It holds and allows communication between many of the crucial electronic components of a system. Unlike a backplane, motherboard usually contain significant subsystems such as the central processor, the chipset, input or output, and memory controller, interface, connector, and the other components integrated for general purpose use and application. And then motherboard specifically referred to a PCB with expansion capability, and as the name suggests, this board is often referred to as the mother of all components attached to it. Similarly, the term main board is applied to device with a single board and no additional expansion or capability, such as controlling a board in leather. Okay guys, let's see the motherboard.
Computer case, also known as a computer case tower system unit or cabinet, is the enclosure that contains most of the components of a computer, usually including the display, keyboard, and mouse. All aluminium, plastic is sometimes used, and other materials such as glass, wood, and even Lego bricks have appeared in home bookcases.
Processor base frequency describes the rate at which the processor's transistors open and close. The processor base frequency is the operating point where TDP is defined. Frequency is measured in gigahertz, 2.10 gigahertz or billion cycle per second. Next, CPU cache is an area of fast memory located on the processor. Intel Smart Cache refers to the architecture that allows all cores to dynamically share access to the last level cache 3 MB. Okay guys, this is the processor Intel Core i50100U processor. Okay, other than that, memory DDR3L 1600 MHz SDRAM 1x DIMM socket for expansion up to 8 GB SDRAM. Memory types such as Intel processors come in 4 different types, which are a single channel, dual channel, triple channel, and flex mode. Next, a max of memory channels such as the number of memory channels refers to the bandwidth operation for real-world application. There have two channels. Lastly, max memory bandwidth is the maximum rate at which data can be read from or stored into a semiconductor memory by the processor in gig per second, which is 25.6 gig per second. Okay, so this is the memory DDR3L 1600 MHz SDRAM, one-time DIMM socket for expansion up to 8 gig SDRAM. Okay, next, graphic card NVIDIA GeForce 920M with 2 gig DDR3 VRAM. The NVIDIA GeForce 920M is an entry-level District X 12 graphics card. It is based on the 28nm Kepler architecture and uses the same GK208 chip as the GeForce GT 730M, 825M and 740M. The 384 shaders are clocked at 954 MHz, while the memory 64-bit DDR3 interface runs at 900 MHz, which is 1800 MHz effective. This is the graphic card NVIDIA GeForce 920M with 2 gig DDR3 VRAM.
Okay, next we go to optical drive. Super multi DVD. Super multi or super all-write refer to all drive that reads and writes CD art RW, DVD art and or RW, DVD art plus art or RW and DVD RAM. They usually do not support flash drive, HD, burn or gigabyte either. Overburning may or may not be possible. So, super multi DVD is a green focus. It is because this optical drive is the most energy saving drive. E-green auto close drive application when not in use, saving over 50% power consumption for user. Okay, this is optical drive super multi DVD.
Yeah, alright today. Yes, have you studied about software? Oh, so I will tell you about software. Software is a collection of data on a computer, instruction that tell the computer how to work. It is in contrast to computer hardware, from which the system is built and actually perform the work in computer science and software engineering. Computer software is all information processed by computer system, program, and data. Computer hardware and software, you know that, require each other and data can be realistically used on its own.
Oh wow, I never know it before.
Yeah, you have learned.
Okay, Firdaus, we know that the majority of software is written in high-level programming languages.
No.
Okay, they are easier and more efficient for programmers because they are closer to natural languages than our machine languages. Okay, high-level languages are translated into machine languages using a compiler or an interpreter or a combination of the two. Software may also be written in a low assembly languages which has strong correspondence to the computer's machine language. Instruction and is translated into machine language using an assembler.
Oh, Isha, do you know software there are two types?
What is it?
Oh, it's easy, Isha. There are two types of software. You know, system software and application software. You know that system software is a set of one or more programs that are designed to control the operation of a computer system, which is operating system or OS, compiler. However, application software is a software designed to have the user perform, like you perform a certain type of work.
Okay, but can I ask you something?
Oh yeah.
Okay, what is the example of software
Alright, so I focus for Universiti Teknologi Mara, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Have you know that university students use Microsoft Office like Word,
Yeah,
Excel?
professors.
Yeah, there are Adobe .NET and C++, Adobe Weaver, Adobe Junior to do,
What is that? Given
Media,
direction.
and Adobe Director.
Okay, Firdaus, I need to go.
Alright.
Thank you. Bye.
Alright.
Genius.
Moreover, for input devices, we would like to suggest Logitech M90 USB mouse, which computer mouse is a handheld pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows a smooth control of the graphical user interface. However, just the basic setup is fast and easy. You can plug the cable into a USB port and use it right away. No false move. You cannot go wrong with precise optical tracking. It's a smooth mover with or without a mouse pad. From the mouse experts, you get the quality and design we have built into more than 1 billion mice. Simple to set up and use. Setup is fast and easy. Just plug the cable into a USB port. There's no software to install, and since it is recorded, you can just plug the cable into a USB port and use it right away. High definition optical tracking. You will enjoy the responsive, smooth cursor control, precise tracking, and easy text selection thanks to high definition optical tracking 1000 dpi built by Logitech. This mouse comes with the quality and design we have built into more than 1 billion mice, more than any other manufacturer. Okay, so this is the Logitech M90 USB mouse. Next, for output device, we have HP DeskJet 2132 all-in-one printer, which can make your day everyday printing, scanning, and copying easy with an HP DeskJet all-in-one that simply works right out of the box. Save money with optional high-yield ink cartridge, plus save space with an all-in-one design to fit where you need it. Can simplify your day, which can print, scan, and copy with ease and tackle more everyday tasks than ever you have before. Okay, this is the HP DeskJet 2132 all-in-one printer. Okay, then for the next output devices, we have Sony MDR XB4 450AP on-ear extra bass headphones, earphones, hands-free mic and earpod. Headphones are a pair of small speaker drivers worn on or around the head over a user's ears. The other type, known as earbuds or earpieces, consists of individual units that plug into the user's ear canal. In the context of telecommunication, a headset is a combination of headphone and microphone. Headphones connect to a signal source such as an audio amplifier, radio, CD player, portable media player, mobile phone, video game console, or electronical musical instrument, either directly using a card or using wireless technology such as Bluetooth, DAC, or FM radio. So this is the